Hi there, this is Deborah, and as you can see from the title, I am making some lemongrass cold-processed swirl soap with some confetti embeds in it. It smells really good. I'm using some essential oil, some lemongrass essential oil actually. Um, and I actually did the heated transfer method. And what that is you don't have to wait for your lye solution and your oils to be at the same temperature. You can just go ahead and add your lye solution while it's hot into your oils to melt them, and that's what I did. So without further ado, I'm trying to keep this video short. I'm just going to go ahead and let it roll, and I will come back for the cut of the soap and talk a little bit more about the soap. So with further ado, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Well, hello there again. I'm back with the cut of the soap. It came out really good. It's a little bit soft, but it came out really good. I was really impressed. This was sort of a new little technique I was working on there with the embeds. I actually used some melt and pour, and I put some shredded soap inside of the little disc. And as you can see, it's kind of round, but inside of that little round disc is actually the confetti soap. So many times when I make confetti soap, I just kind of put the shredded soap in with the soap and just kind of put it into the mold. But this time, I didn't really want the shredded soap all over the place. I just basically wanted confined to the embeds. So that's what I did. I thought it came out really good. The camera is just not picking it up as good. I really need to learn how to make better videos with this camera. I'm working on it every day, trying to get better. I have a lot of videos need to be edited, so I got to get on it. The mica color that I used today was actually by Stardust. It was Stardust mica. Let's see, what number is this? Because they have this is Stardust mica, the basic set number 1. They have a lot of different sets. I don't know if there's 5 or 6 different sets. The one before this one that I had bought was it was neon, and it was number 5. So this is a number 1, and let's see what the colors are. It has yellow zest was what I used. It had red strawberry. It had blue eyes. It had orange chiffon, and I didn't use the orange. And it has green pine, which I did use, and it had black shimmery, and I didn't use the black. So I really like these colors, and I think the soap came out really well. I will put in the description box some of the ingredients, all of the ingredients actually, that I used to make this soap. So I really like the way the swirl came out, and I'm really happy with the soap. Like I said, I have a lot of video, but I've been having some troubles getting them edited right. But hopefully today this one let me know that I can get it done, because this one is coming out pretty good. But I do have to get better with the camera, as you can see. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Hopefully I will get more videos done. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye now.